Hi everybody, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the enrollment and the assignments on Jacplus. So when you're on your bookshelf, when you select a textbook, so let's say we're doing year 9 maths, at the bottom you will choose select format, and instead of the regular textbook that students will access, you will open it in learn on mode. Students will have to do the same as well to receive their assignments or their assessment. So once we click on that, what we need to go on is on the top. I already have my class created, but if you open the tab, you will have the manage my classes option. Once you click that one here, I already have my class created, but what you can do is create a new class over here. Once you have your class created, what's going to happen, you have a class code over here. And what I did, because we were on WebEx, I copied the link. So there's a button here, you copy the link, and what I did is I pasted into the chat like that. So the students, they will click and follow up, and what it will allow them to do is to enroll into my class that I have created. By refreshing the page, I will see the students joining the class. Once you're happy with enrolling all your students, you can move on to the next task. Something I wanted to add here, if you wanted to differentiate, you can create a group and reassign some of the students to different groups. So once you have all your students enrolled, you would return to title. On the left, you will have an assignment option. So by clicking here, you can create an assignment. You can choose any topic for that year level and that subject. So let's say I just pick this one and I show the question. So it will follow step 1, 2, and 3. I'll show the question. You will have a pool of questions available to you. Let's say I select all the questions up here. I'm happy with all the questions. I'll move on to the next step when I review them. You can look at the questions in more detail. You can deselect some questions. So again, I'm still happy with that. I'm going to assign them. Now, when you assign them, you have two options. You can either do it as a practice assessment. It will be recorded under the assessment results. You also can randomize the order of the questions. Jacplus will still correct them itself. When you practice, you can give students options to attempt the same question multiple times and review the topic. You will also select the class that you want to assign the task. If you have any groups, you will be able to select that. So let's say I select this class. Now here, it will start as soon immediately. So that's your starting date and time, and you can also customize the end date and time. So by clicking here, I can select when I want to finish that. So if I want to give them on the same day or a week later with the finish time. You can customize the number of students, and once you click the assign one, the practice or assignment becomes live and ready to be done by students. And one more thing. Let's say you have the task that is finished and you want to see the results. Then you will go to the reports, the results. You will select the teacher assign if it's either a practice or assessment, and when you click show report, it will update the results down there with your students. Okay, that's it. Thank you.